Hey everyone, Jim here from Fuji Spray, and today I'm going to be answering the age-old question, what is the difference between the Q Platinum and Minimite Platinum spray systems? Now the difference is quite simple, it all comes down to sound level. The Q Platinum is installed with patented noise reduction technology, which eliminates any direct sound paths from exiting the turbine. So for example, at 20 feet away, this turbine will operate at 60 decibels, which is the same level that I'm talking at right now. The Q Platinum is great for on-site finishing when the homeowner's still around, if you're working in a confined area and you have a coworker, or if you just have cranky neighbors. The Minimite Platinum operates at a similar level to a shop vac, but as you can see it is ultra portable, so it's the ideal system for the on-the-go refinisher. First thing you'll notice is the size difference. The Minimite is about 8 pounds lighter than the Q, so it's ultra portable, but both come in 3, 4, and 5 stage systems. That pretty much covers all the differences between the Minimite and Q Platinum series. If you do have any more questions about the two, give us a call at 1-800-650-0930 or shoot us an email at info@fujispray.com. This is Jim from Fuji Spray. Thank you so much for watching.